Morgami to all my PSD ministry faith walkers, visionaries, and soaring eagles. Once again, this is Dr. C, and welcome to my 7 days of Kwanza celebration. And before I light the 6th of my 7 candles during our Kwanza celebration that represents the 7 principles of Kwanzaa that are before you today, I would just like to briefly invite you to take time doing each and every day during this Kwanzaa celebration and even beyond to just reflect, review, meditate, and most of all, enjoy my videos and labors of love of my Dr. C's 7-day Kwanzaa celebration. I received a lot of great feedback from people throughout the world in the community and the neighborhood saying that they either are enjoying our Kwanzaa celebrations that I am presenting to you, or they are very interested in viewing our Kwanzaa celebration as they too are either celebrating Kwanzaa or would like to get more information so they can be a part of more than 20 million people throughout the world who are now celebrating Kwanzaa, which is called the first fruits in Swahili. So with all of this awesome information and my invitation to you to go on each day and review each one of my Kwanzaa videos that I have blessed you with and enjoyed making them for you. I like the 6th day of Kwanzaa, which is very exciting for me. And it is the 6th candle representing the 6th principle of Kwanzaa is KUUMBA, which means creativity. Creativity. We are all creative. We have blessings and talents and gifts inside each and every one of us. I know what my gift is. My gift is singing. My gift is celebrating. My gift is teaching and being a blessing to others, either teaching classes throughout the country and the world, or my blessing and gift to the world is being a certified transformational life coach to help you to dream big, set goals, take action towards realizing your dreams and more. So happy KUUMBA, which is creativity, whether it's making something special by hand, singing a beautiful song, sharing a beautiful poem or speech. What is your creativity, your KUUMBA? So on the 6th day of Kwanzaa, take time, take a deep breath, and just take this moment to just reflect, review, renew, and refresh, and go to the next step of taking action towards celebrating and sharing your KUUMBA throughout the world, especially during Kwanzaa time and beyond. Be blessed. See you on the 7th day of Kwanzaa. Bye.